Need a good solution for gas diffusion layer fixation of fuel cells without using tape? We've got you covered. DELO optimizes stack assembly processes for fast, precise and fully automated production with gas diffusion layer fixation. To fix the gas diffusion layer, our liquid, pressure-sensitive adhesive is first dispensed onto a thermoplastic frame using our DELO-DOT PN5 pneumatic jet valve. After dispensing, the liquid adhesive is cured within seconds via UV light, instantly making the surface sticky like tape. Joining components using pressure offers an immediate bonding strength so that, once joined, they can immediately be handled thereafter. To sum up, advantages of our GDL fixation process include its fast application and curing, as well as its energy and resource efficiency and high process reliability in both assembly and operation. If you have any questions or would like to discuss any projects or specific requests, feel free to contact our experts.